Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I talk about many different ways to make money online. I upload a new video every single week, so make sure to subscribe not to miss any new opportunities. In today's video, I will go through InstaGC, a website to make money completing surveys, watching videos, and more. I will show you one of my payment proof, and a new one as I will cash out again to show you InstaGC still works in 2021. If you haven't signed up yet, click on the link in the description below where you will earn 10 points when signing up. That's the equivalent of 10 cents. Once you click on this link, you will get to this page where you can sign up to InstaGC via Facebook, Twitter, Google, or your email address. Once you've signed up and logged in, go to your username at the top right corner and select Account. There you should enter your personal information. The reason why is that InstaGC needs your information to send you surveys, as it will depend on your demographics, meaning they will need to know your age, the country you live in, and a few more information to send you relevant surveys. So now that you've entered your information, you can start earning money. Just go to the Earn section there and click on Recommended. Now you will have a list of different survey providers. In my experience, Peanut Labs is one of the best providers, but I would advise you to try them all because what works for me might not work for you. After all, surveys greatly depend on your demographics. So I will now click on Peanut Labs, then launch Peanut Labs in a new window. You can see here there are a few surveys available to me right now. Again, it could be very different for you if you're not the same age as I am, or if you don't live in the same country as I do. And as with most survey platforms, surveys change very frequently. If I go back to this page in a couple hours, new ones should appear. I've actually completed 2 surveys earlier this month. 112.38 here is the amount of points I currently have. That's the equivalent of $1.12. If I click on it and select this month, you can see I've completed 2 short surveys on the 7th and the 8th of February 2021. I haven't had time to complete any recently because I'm testing so many different ways to make money online that I don't have time to work on each one of them every single day. Another way to earn money is by watching videos. Just go back to Earn and click on Watch Videos. The way this one works is by watching videos in Hideout TV. I will click on one of them to show you. So here it says watch the latest music videos and earn for every video plus ad you watch. This will redirect you to a website called hideout.co, where you can watch videos to earn money. Note that you will need to register to this website. I already have an account, so I will just log in. Below the videos you watch, you can click on Rewards to convert the points you've earned from this website to InstaGC. You will also receive a small bonus daily. Just click on Add to redeem it. Then click on Redeem again, and there you will be able to redeem the points you've earned to InstaGC, but also to many other similar websites such as Ysense, GrubPoints, and more. You will not make a lot of money watching these videos, but you can leave them running on your computer while you do other things, so it's a way to earn a little bit of passive income. Back to InstaGC, you can also earn money by entering competitions. Here, in the completion contest section, you can earn up to 10,000 points if you complete the most amount of surveys in a single month out of all the other participants. 10,000 points is worth $100, so it's a nice little bonus if you manage to be first. As you can see, I've only completed 2 surveys, so I'm very far from the top 10. The decimal pot seems to be more realistic to earn a bonus for the average InstaGC user like me that doesn't complete surveys frequently on this website. You can only contribute your decimal point. So if I contribute my 0.38 points, which is worth 0.0038 cents, I can earn up to 126 points. The system will randomly select winners from the participants that joined, and you can only participate once in the next 13 hours. In the sports section, you will need 10 points to enter this competition. They don't mention how much you can earn because it depends how many people join those entries. As you can see from the previous days, not many people do, so you have a greater chance to earn the prize. Now another way to earn money is to refer people to InstaGC. Here you can find your referral link where you will earn 10% of their earnings for life. The person you refer will also earn 10 points when signing up using your link. So I will now withdraw my current earnings. To do so, go to Redeem and select the gift card store or other rewards. In the gift card store, I only have 4 options, and this is because I live in Ireland. If I select the United States, for example, you can see a lot more gift cards, including Amazon, Airbnb, AT&T, and more. I already went through this earlier and saw that they have 12 pages, so you should have more than enough to choose from. They also have a very good selection in the UK. If your country doesn't have the gift cards you're looking for, like myself, just go back to Redeem and select Other Rewards. So here you can get paid via Bitcoin or PayPal. As you can see, I got a $1 payment back in August 2020, and it took 3 days to be received, on September 3rd, 2020. Bitcoin has a minimum withdrawal amount of 1000 points, and PayPal has a minimum of 100 points, or $1. There is no fee if you redeem cash via PayPal, only once a month. So I will now redeem 100 points, or $1, as I have 112 points. Then just hit OK. And here it says the reward has been automatically processed, which means I shouldn't have to wait 3 days like I did last year. If I want to withdraw money again, I will have to pay a fee of 20 points. I don't have enough points anymore to redeem cash anyway, but if you see this, just wait next month before redeeming again. I will now log into my PayPal account and see if the transfer was automatic as they mentioned. As you can see, the transfer is already here, so it was an instant transfer. If you don't receive your payment automatically like I did, make sure to wait a few days. It took 3 days last time I requested a payment. Anyways, that's it for today. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.